expression for the accuracy of MCG, that is the moving coil galvanometers. Okay, firstly, definition of accuracy of MCG. The galvanometer is said to accurate if it has a no error, that is accuracy increase if error is a decrease. That is the definition of accuracy of MCG. Now consider the if d theta. Okay, d theta be the error measurement. Error measurement. Consider d theta be the error measurement of the deflection theta. Then di. Di be the what? That is a error and measurement to the current. Measurement to the current. So error is equal to di by I for a MCG. For MCG, that is the moving coil galvanometers. Okay, you know the current is equal to C upon NBA into theta. Equation number first. Differentiating with respect to theta. Okay, differentiating with respect to theta. So di by d theta. This above equation differentiating with respect to theta. Okay, so di by d theta. So d upon d theta. So C upon NBA into theta. So is equal to, that is, now the remaining C upon NBA. Okay, that is di is equal to C upon NBA into d theta. Equation number second. Dividing equation 2 by 1. Dividing equation 2 by 1. Okay. So di by I is equal to C upon NBA into d theta into NBA C upon, so 1 upon, so 1 no, sorry, I upon theta. Okay, so solve this step. That is the is equal to, so di by I is equal to d theta upon theta. This equations is known as the accuracy of MCG. Okay, and this MCG is said to be more accurate. Deflection of theta is maximum and the number of turns n should be maximum and the angle of deflection theta also should be the maximum, and this bit is a completely 3 marks.